With regards to balance with the kind of modules that are offered here, I've chosen half practical and half kind of academic, like family law and employment law, just so that I can keep my options open. And it also, I can like showcase my academic skills as well as my practical skills and like what I can do hands-on. But I think the way the degree is structured is really helpful in that you kind of get your core 6 or 7 core modules out of the way in first and second year, and then third year you can like kind of choose whatever you want to do, so you can really start tailoring what you're studying towards where you want to go, if you want to be in practice, if you don't, if you want to practice in a particular area. And I think it's useful that by the time you get to the third year you've got more of a clear idea of where you want to go in practice. My modules that I've chosen this year, as I've mentioned, are half, we get to choose 6, I've chosen 3 practical and 3 kind of not so practical. So my practical, I've got practical legal skills, mediation, which was really hands-on, a lot of role play, and then I've chosen law clinic as well, which is actually seeing real life clients, applying the law that you've learned, mostly in first and second years. We get a lot of housing, employment and kind of tenancy issues, which we've already studied. We do get some family, but it's just really an opportunity to put your skills in the legal knowledge that you've learned into play, and that's really useful because it gives you it's work experience but not in a law firm. We're pretty much as close to a law firm as you can get. I mean, we're supervised by barristers and solicitors, so the legal advice we give is true and real and everything, but it just gives you an idea of, it confirms your wishes to enter into practice, or it gives you the chance to think, well, maybe this isn't for me, before you actually spend £10,000 on your LPC and go and get a training contract. So it's really useful, and for me it has confirmed that that is what I want to do. My involvement with the Law Society is quite heavy really. This year I've been the communications rep, which is basically putting it's designing the freshers leaflet and the business card just to get the freshers kind of interested in, tell people what the society is all about and how it can help you throughout your degree. And it's also heavily involved with producing the student law journal, which is kind of advertising it to students, getting them to submit pieces that they want published and publishing it just so that other students can see what kind of standard our students are writing to. I've had to lead a team of 4, which kind of, they help me edit the journals and pick the best, and kind of there's a winning journal in there, so we sit down together and discuss that. It's helped me as a person with teamwork, kind of reasoning skills. If I've thought one thing and somebody else has thought another thing, we've had to like negotiate on what's the best way to kind of solve this issue and kind of keep the team happy as a whole. But also I feel like it's enhanced my career prospects a lot. It shows that I can get involved, that I can lead a team, and that I can bring an idea, see it through and present it successfully.